What's up guys, Johnny here. So we are at the first week of April and spring is here. Actually it's not. In New York it's been kind of up and down. A couple of days it's been like 30 degrees, a couple of days it's been 50. Today it says it's going to be 65. Again, venturing out to Long Island and there's freaking traffic right now. I just can't believe it. I mean, we're in New York. Are you kidding me? Traffic now. It's 11:30 in the morning. Rush hour should be gone. And I'm in crawling traffic. Are you kidding me? That's the reason why we have traffic. There is stupid construction. Sat here for 20 minutes. Okay, here we go. All right, guys, I'm back at this lake. I came here in January and I got totally skunked last time, so I'm gonna try it again. It's definitely a lot warmer than before, so let's see what happens this time around. Okay, here we go. First to 10th of April of 2017. I'm going right into the deep, scary waters. So I'm gonna try this. There's a guy on YouTube pretty much caught fish with this all winter. So I'm gonna try it out. Oh shit, there's a bite. Nice, I got a fish, baby. The baby bass. Oh no, it's a perch. Look at that. All right, got a fish. A perch. Better than nothing. Alright, next. So I really wanted to try this. If you guys ever heard of a Ned Rig, I'm gonna attempt to use that right now. It's basically just a little jig head like this, thin wire. Cut this in half, put it in, and that's it, huh? So let's see, guys. Ned Rig. Alright, here we go. How does this thing work? Alright, if I could catch something with this, I'll freak the hell out. Whoa, this is heavy. Whoa! This sucks. Bite. I just got a bite. Oh yes! My first bass, baby. Look at that. Out on a Ned Rig. Beautiful. Yay. Goodbye. All right, well, that's interesting. All right, guys, we're back. Wasn't the best, but listen, I didn't get skunked, you know. I still got 2 fish. You know, I did like about this big, and I got my first bass of 2017, so I can't complain about that, right? Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel, leave a comment. So until next time, surrounded by salt, addicted to fresh.